Welcome back to the channel. Model Rockets 321 here. This video will be about a restoration project I'm going to take on. This is a ESTES Phoenix missile. I forget the kit number, but I recently got, if you saw previous videos, I have a series of what I call ugly ducklings. Just a bunch of bad rockets. I got a whole collection of them off of eBay. A guy was selling them. He said his son was into it and he got out of the hobby, and he had looked like some earlier, like 2000 kits, not early 2000, just in the 2000s, maybe 2009, 10, around there, 11, 12. But some kits seem to be, I don't know if they were his or not. I don't know if he acquired them from somewhere or if he bought them off Craigslist, because he had like Gemini Titan in there and this Phoenix missile. And these are older, and I'm not sure if these were still being produced when he was getting those kits. And I'm not sure what year they stopped making Estes didn't put this out again. But he had to, like I said, I got it because I saw the Gemini in there and I saw this Phoenix missile. And I figured those would be good restores. And there was a Spaceship One. If you saw a previous video, you saw all this stuff. But anyway, just taking a look at this rocket, it's in bad condition. It's all yellowed. Like decals are like coming off the nose. It could tell it hit the ground a few times. It could have nosedived. I'm not sure. It just looks, don't look too, like maybe that's just from the tip hitting. But yeah, it's in bad, rough shape. I mean, if you look at the end, like he was using some kind of what I believe to be Gorilla Glue. He was using Gorilla Glue a lot, like just a thick, heavy glue that you really don't want to use on these things. Yeah, decals are flaking off, fins. These fins, I'm gonna pop all these off. I may have to remake this fin here. As you can see, it's been damaged. They're not aligned too well. You can, that's not too bad, but they're gonna come off. I'm gonna have to pop them off. And these straws, they gotta come off. He used like actual straw, even though launch lugs are straws. I just think it's funny. If you run out of launch lug material, I guess you can use straw. The motor mount isn't too bad. This is the old school engine hook. It seemed to be nice, and it's a little soft right there. Yeah, this is, I don't know if you can see that, but the motor mount, I probably should have had a tripod for this. The motor mount is kind of like a little broken right there. Tube's nice and hard though. It's kind of solid. So if I can get the motor mount out, which I can probably soften the glue. I don't know if I don't want to damage it too much. I want to try to use this original body. I'm gonna strip all this stuff off. I'm gonna sand it down, sand it, probably pop these fins off. I'm gonna see if any are decent. I'll leave them, but I'm seeing dents and dings. May have to just get some wood filler and fill them. These are actually not that bad. These four, they're not that bad. I can probably get in here and fix up some of this area. It's like, yeah, actually not too bad. Just glue it. I'll see. I'm gonna have to take a closer look at it. Some junk here. Yeah, but this hard Gorilla Glue stuff, this is gonna take some task. I'm gonna have to probably sand that off with like the sander. I have a sander. And these fins, like I said, these are crooked, so I'm gonna have to work that. And let's go to the inside of the rocket. Let me see what's in there. Take the cone off. So inside the rocket was this blue parachute. This is old. It's a nylon. It's not, they were making some, but this was one that was actually not too bad. But this big hole, there's a big burn hole in it, so I'll replace the parachute. That has to go. This elastic cord here is dry rotted, so I'm gonna just, this thing, I mean, this rocket smells horrible. Like there's wadding there. I see more wadding up in there. Let's see if I can get that out. Use these tweezers, go up in there. Yeah, wadding. So yeah, so that's it. There's just wadding in there, and there's this. What did he do? So I see a piece of like this shock cord, and what's going on? He had two shock cords. He has two shock cords. So he was running two shock cords. He was running a regular piece of nylon and this one. And some old wadding, recovery wadding. So this is the project. I'm going to be stripping this down. I'm going to get this cone, strip that down, and sand all of this. Take a good look at these fins and see what got to be restored here, and get this all back in some kind of flying condition. New parachute's going to go in there. It flies on D engines, D engines short, like this size, instead of the longer SD size. I mean the longer E engine size. I'm saying the wrong things, but You get the point? So yeah, stay tuned for this restoration of a Phoenix missile, a yellowing Phoenix missile. It will be nice, white. I'm gonna get new decals, and it'll be cool. Alrighty.